What's the meaning of confinement? Confinement. Confinement.
Confinement. Confinement. Confinement refers to the act of restricting or limiting someone or something within a certain area or boundaries. The result of confinement can vary depending on the context and the nature of the subject being confined. In the case of imprisonment or quarantine, confinement can result in isolation from society or restriction of movement. In the case of scientific experiments, confinement may be necessary to control variables and obtain accurate results. Overall, confinement is a form of control that limits freedom and can have both positive and negative consequences.